Ano yung masasabi mo sa dating 18 years old na kumakain ng panis?
Na kanin.
Na kanin.
I wanna tell her na um, what do I want? I wanna tell her, I wanna congratulate her for her determination at that time, that she didn't allow that situation and that moment to actually break her, but she made that moment to build her. And because of that, here I am now,
Yes.
right? So many things have happened in my life. And I honestly believe, naging blessing na rin ako sa ibang tao, not only to my husband, to my family, to my closest friends, or even to my Laura's family, but other people as well, with every event that we are doing. And I just want to tell her na, hey girl, congratulations. Dahil itong moment na to is the most beautiful moment in your life that created all the magics and all these wonderful things that I am currently enjoying.
Ayun, sobrang parang nai-imagine ko talaga siya. I'm so proud of you, man. And sobrang, ako kinokongratulate kita kasi hindi ko akalain ganun talaga yung previous, story. Pero it's a sign na if you have a dream, work on it, just improve yourself.
Exactly.
Diba? Gawin mo yung best mo.
Yeah.
And then, be with the people na pwedeng makatulong sa'yo.
Exactly.
Ayun.
Yes.
Kasi yun yung result ng mga ambisyon, pangarap na meron ka noon. Andito na, eto na. Diba?
Yes.
And mas marami pa ang taong pwedeng matulungan ng dating naka-experience nung ganong buhay na nakatira sa squatter, diba?
Yeah.
Pwede pa palang mabago ang buhay.
Pwede.